All right, come with us and meet Victoria, Camille, Jess, and Alyssa. Did I get them all right?
You did.
And get inspired to create your own signature style with us and them.
Yeah.
Okay, secret, they're not real, but you'll find out
Yeah.
when as you listen to the episode.
And you'll feel like you know them.
That's right.
Yeah. Now, why is signature style important? Because, without a clear vision of how you want to appear in clothing, you end up with this mishmash of clothes in your closet. We've all seen this, and nothing really expresses who you want to be. So, Lisa and I are talking about how to declare your signature style, and we're going to give you 4 different examples of signature styles so that you can be inspired.
And we're going to teach you how to pull from those 4 different styles and create your very own signature style. And so if you're listening to this in your headphones
Yeah.
on a walk or washing the dishes,
Yeah.
head on over to our YouTube channels. I'll link it in the show notes below so that you can get a visual of how Linda and I are representing today. Well, basically part of our signature styles for
Yeah.
today. So,
Well,
yeah.
I'm dressing as elegant artsy. You can see
Yes.
my beautiful Camilla silk print top. It's something I would wear to an artist opening, and it looks artistic with all my jewelry and, just a beautiful print.
Yep.
What about you?
I have got a natural, sporty, comfortable look going on, which is very comfortable for me.
It's very suitable for coffee with the girlfriend.
That's right. Or a recording on Zoom.
That's right.
So let's dig into it.